Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a very quick hack of how I get rid of stains from my enamel pan. These stains, they just come on from regularly using it to cook. I use my pan to cook a lot, hence the stains. And I tried many of the hacks I saw on YouTube, and not to discredit them, but because the kind of cooking that I do is a lot of African cooking, particularly Nigerian cooking, we cook with a lot of ingredients that could encourage stains. Most of our meals are cooked with the pepper blend base, so that could really encourage stains. And I find that many of the people who use this pans don't really use our recipes. Just two ingredients really. So the first ingredient is vanish. That's that. So that's vanish oxy action, and it's a laundry soap for whitening. So once after you use it, you want to make sure you wash your pan very well and rinse it away. And then just olive oil. I've only tried olive oil in mine, but you could maybe use another type of oil and see if it works for you. So all I'm just going to be doing is adding about half a cup olive oil to 1 scoop of vanish. This scoop comes with vanish. So you just want to take a spoon and stir together. You also need a sponge, just a soft sponge. You don't want to use a hard sponge. So I've poured that together and I'm just going to stir it to make a thick paste. Once you've made a thick paste, you want to take your sponge. It's an old sponge that I'm using, and then you just want to spread easily. You just have to take the paste again, and then you want to repeat that with the cover as well. Just give it a good clean. And once that is done, you want to run some warm water and give it a good clean. So just run warm water and just give it a good wash. Take your kitchen towel and you want to give it a good wipe. You can see the outcome already. It's nice and shiny. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel.